Hello and welcome to this class. For this class, we'll look at the concept of initial slash exponential equation. By the way, let's discuss about this definition of initial equation. What do we mean by initial equation? Note that initial equation, as clearly shown here, can be also called exponential equation. So initial equation is simply an equation in the form a to power n equal to b. If I have any equation in this form, it's said to be an initial equation, right? Or perhaps if I have a to power m equal to b to power m, is still what an initial equation, right? So the task now is that for an initial equation, I'll try to express the left hand side and right hand side of the equation with the same base. That's just the key concept to note when it comes to initial equation. All right, at this point now, let's look at how to apply the concept of initial, or you call it exponential equation, in some problem of this nature. That's number one there. For number one there, I have 2 to power x being equal to 32. We said the task when it comes to exponential equation or initial equation is that I'll try to express my left hand side with my right hand side such that they are both with what? The same base. This is 2 to power x. Can I express 32 in terms of 2? Of course, I can express 32 in terms of 2. So 32 we give 2 to power what? 5. Of course, 32. So the task now is that I'll go back to this 2 to power x to be equal to 2 to power what? 5. This and this are still the same thing. So this will cancel this. So when I have the same base with an equal to between them, it will what? Cancel out. So what's x here? S is equal to 5, please. That's all, please. That's how to solve this particular initial equation. Let's look at yet another example 2. So I have example 2 here. I have 32 to power y equal to 0.25 this way. How do I possibly simplify this? I know that 32 will give 2 to power 5, right? Or to power y being equal to, I will take back, look up. If I have this one now talks about the idea of decimal. So I'll take the decimal to what? Fraction. So I have 0.25 is equal to what? 25 over 100 in fraction. 25 here 1, 25 here is what? Is 4, right? So if I take it back to indices, I'll have 4 to power minus 1 indices, right? So I will express this one now will give me 4 to power minus 1 as simplified as shown you there. Now, by the way, this becomes a power law. For power law, I multiply these two. That becomes 2 to power what? That times y is what? 5y being equal to 4 becomes 2 to power 2, right? Into what? Minus 1. I have this here. So this one will cancel this. I'll be having 5y to power what? 2 times minus 1 is what? Of course, minus 2. Divided by 5 by 5. This one will cancel this. What's y? Y is equal to what? Minus 2 over 5. So this becomes how to solve this second problem under initial equation. Let's look at the last one there, right? And let's see what we get. For the last one there, I have number 3. I have 3 to power 2x equal to 27. We said when it comes to initial equation, what's your task? I'll try to express left hand side and right hand side with the same what? The same base. This is what? 3 to power 2x. This gives 2 to power what? 3, right? So this one will cancel this. I'll be having 2x equal to 3. Find x. Divide by 2 divide by 2. 2 cancel 2. I will have that x is what? 3/2. This becomes my answer after solving this initial equation, or you call it exponential equation. So I have this, right? So it becomes your answer. So let's look at initial or exponential equation leading to linear simultaneous equation, right? Let's see. Let's look at the problem under that. So leading to linear simultaneous equation. So let's see how that works. All right, let's look at initial equation or exponential equation leading to simultaneous equation. The one says if 3 to the power x plus y equal to 9 to the power x plus y, and s 2 to the power x minus y equal to 8 to the power x minus 3, find the value of s and y. How do you get this done? I'll pick up the first one there. I have 3 to the power y plus x equal to 9 to the power x plus y. My very first time is that I'll express this one in terms of the same base. So I have 3 to the power y plus x equal to 3 to the power 2 into x plus y, right? This one, we cancel this. That becomes y plus x equal to 2x plus 2y. Of course, 2 times x, 2x, 2y. So I have this. I'll collect items here, of course. So I'll be having, perhaps, from here, I'll simplify this further. So I can have x here, then minus 2x being equal to 2y minus y. So this one will come here because minus y. So it becomes minus x equal to y equal to y. So we call this one here, call it your equation 1. Pick out the second equation here. I have 2 to the power x minus y equal to 8 to the power x minus 3. So I'll have, I'll make it that in same base. So I'll have 2 to the power x minus y equal to 2 to the power 3 into x minus 3. 2 to the power 3 is of course 8. I have this one left. So this one will cancel this. I'll be having x minus y being equal to 3x minus 3. 2 times x, 3x. Minus 2 times 3 is of course 9. So I have this. Get this done, please. I will have x minus 3x. Next up, minus y equal to minus 9. So this will give minus 2x minus y equal to 9. Right? So I can take this y here. So I'll have minus 2x equal to 9 plus y. So I can call this one here, call it equation 2. So I'll solve this equation 1 and 2 there using simultaneous equation. By the way, this one signifies anywhere I see y, I'll put minus x. So, but y is equal to minus x as said from here. So anywhere I see y inside equation 2, I'll put minus x. So I'll have minus 2x equal to 9 plus what's y? Y is what? Minus x. Yeah. Minus 2x equal to 9 plus minus is what? Minus x. Let's get x here. Minus 2x, this one becomes plus x equal to 9. This gives minus s equal to 9. So therefore, s equal to minus 9. So my answer is given as a minus 9. Hang on, please. Hang on, look up, please. Look up. I'm having minus 3x. X minus 3x is what? Minus 2x. Minus y is this equal to minus 9. I'm having 9 here. So I have to put minus here. Mistake. Minus here, right? Minus will be here. 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 So minus will cancel out minus. I'll have x to be 9, please. Observe the mistake, please. So this is my answer for x. To get y is quite simple. Go back to this one here, equation 1. Right? So, but we said minus x was equal to y. What's x now? X is 9. So I have minus what's x? 9 equal to y. So therefore, y is equal to minus 9. So it becomes how to solve this particular problem leading to simultaneous equation. So this is like what I can actually give to the world for now. So try to encourage me by subscribing. If you are also assist us with any amount you have to get resources and some data to upload videos, you can do well to reach me out through my WhatsApp number, so you can assist us with anything you have, so that you can enjoy more of this content. See you in our next class. Thanks for watching and welcome to Excellent Link Academy.